morning, students. So today I will complete this exercise and start next exercise. Okay, in this I will tell some questions. Mostly I told you. Okay, so exercise 7.2. Question number 32 and 33 both their process same. So one question I will tell 32. 1 upon 1 plus cot x dx. Okay. So convert cot x into cos and sin. So cot x, you know cos x upon sin x. Okay. Then simplify, take LCM and simplify. So sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Okay. So here if we suppose sin x plus cos x, so their differentiation will not manage this. Okay. So here some arrangement. So multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So this 2 sin x upon sin x plus cos x dx, and this 2 sin x, okay, you convert in. So convert this 2 sin x, we can write sin x plus cos x, okay, plus sin x minus cos x. In place of 2 sin x, we can write like this. And why are we writing like that? Because we have sin x plus cos x. Okay. So by adding cos x, by adding and subtracting cos x, okay, then divide separately. So sin x plus cos x upon this. So 1 by 2, 1 dx, and here, okay, sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x upon, okay, sin x plus cos x dx. So 1 dx, their integration will be x, and here sin x plus cos x. So suppose t, so their differentiation will be cos x minus sin x. So from here minus you can take common. Okay, you can take minus common. So write minus, this will be plus and this will be minus. Means cos x minus sin x. Clear? So like this, question number 33 also. Question number 34 you see. Under tan x upon sin x cos x dx. So in this multiply, okay, and divide by sec square x. So sec square x dx upon, here also this in numerator and denominator both, sec square x dx. Clear? So under root tan x, this sec square x dx upon, so sec square x 1 upon cos square x. So 1 upon cos x, you divide in 2 parts, sec square x, 1 upon cos x into 1 upon. So cos 1 by you write. So sin x cos x into 1 upon cos square x, so 1 cancel, and sin upon cos tan. So here also tan x. So this root tan x and here tan x. So this tan x 2 times we can write under root tan x into under root tan x. So 1 root tan x will cancel. Means this will become sec square x dx upon under root tan x. Then you suppose tan x is equal to t. Okay, and then integrating. So similarly, remaining questions you can do. I am telling, okay, you try to do. 35th, in that 1 plus log x is equal to t. In 36th, x plus log x. Okay. So given x plus 1, x you see 36. X plus 1 and here x plus log x square dx upon x. So in this x plus log x, while x their differentiation 1 plus log x their differentiation, so 1 plus 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. So take LCM, so x plus 1 upon x dx is equal to dt. Means x plus 1 upon x dt, and that will be this t square dt. Apply for it. Okay. In question number 37, in that you suppose tan inverse x power 4 is equal to t, and their differentiation will be tan inverse. Okay. So 1 upon 1 plus x power 4 whole square, so x power 8, and x power 4 their differentiation 4x cube dx is equal to d. In question number 38, denominator x power 10 plus 10 power x. Okay, so that you suppose t. Okay, in 39, last question of this exercise, dx upon sin square x cos square x. Okay. So in 1 into dx we can write, so in place of 1 we can write sin square x plus cos square x. This is formula. We know 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x dx. Then divide separately. So when divide separately, cancel 1 upon cos square sec square x dx plus 1 upon sin square cosec square x dx. Apply formula. Okay. So this exercise completed. So next exercise, that is totally based upon trigonometric formulas. Okay, that those you have studied in class 11. Okay. So one time again you have to learn and write trigonometric formulas. Okay. If formula will be in mind, then you can do easily. Otherwise, it will be very tough without learning formulas. Okay. So start from first. Integration sin square 2x plus 5 dx. So not means formula is not available for this. Means some functions their integration will be this, but directly we are not doing. So if directly we are not doing, means we have to convert in other forms whose formulas we are knowing. Okay. So you know that this suppose theta, okay, 2x plus 5, suppose theta plus rt you can suppose. So 2 dx is equal to dt. So dx is equal to dt by 2 theta. So sin square t dt by 2. So 1 by 2 constant will be out. So sin square t converting cos 1. So cos 2t we know 1 minus 2 sin square t. So minus 2 sin square t is equal to 1 minus cos 2. Then sin square t divided by 2. Means in place of Sin square t you can write 1 minus cos 2t upon 2d. Then again 1 by 2, that will be also 1 by 4, 1 minus cos 2t dt. Then it is like previous exercise. So 1 by 4, 1 dx minus cos 2t. Then 2t suppose you. So 2 dt is equal to d. Means here in place of that, okay, you can write cos u du by 2 and this x. So 1 by 4 x minus, then 1 by 2 will be out, then cos u du, then integration you write, and then putting u value, and after that u value will come in form of t, then t value in form of x. Clear? So one time you have to learn formula from class 11. Okay. Second, sin 3x cos 4x. Okay. If sin 3x cos 3x, then we can do direct. But sin 3x cos 4x means their angles different. Okay. So multiply and divide by 2 sin 3x cos 4x dx. Then for that formula 2 sin a cos b. Okay. For that formula. So formula is, okay, sin a plus b, okay, minus, sorry, plus sin a minus b. You check it first. So this will become sin 7x. Sin minus x, so sin minus theta minus sin theta. So sin a minus sin b, so 2, here minus is coming. So 2 cos a plus b by 2, okay, correct? And sin a minus b by 2, correct? So sin 7x minus sin x. Here integration sign. Then integrate separately. Okay, so sin 7x dx minus sin x dx. So sin 7x is suppose t, then sin t. Okay, so formula, which function their differentiation sin t. Okay, so cos t their differentiation minus means minus cos t their differentiation sin t. So their integration what will be minus cos t and sin x directly apply formula. Clear? So first you learn formula. Okay. After that will be easy. Question number 3 in that cos 2x cos 4x cos 6x. So first you take these two terms, cos 2x and cos 4x. So multiply and divide by 2. So 2 cos 2x cos 4x into cos 6x. Then apply formula 2 cos a cos b. So formula is cos a plus b. Directly I am writing. Okay, plus cos a minus b. So 2x minus 4x minus 2x and cos minus theta. You know cos theta. Okay. then multiply by cos 6x in this. So cos square 6x plus cos 2x cos 6x. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, dx. And after that, this is like question number first, and again here multiply and divide by 2. Okay, and after that you will be able to find answer. Okay, similarly question number 6 also like that. Okay, and remaining you can try later, I will tell in next video. Okay, thank you.